Hello everyone, welcome to another video that shows you how you can create a complete, fully responsive multi-page e-commerce website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript. In the previous two videos, we have just created the home page as well as the product page of this responsible multi-page e-commerce website. If you didn't see those videos, I put the video links inside this video description. So go ahead and watch those videos first before directly jump right into this video. Now in this video, I am going to show you how you can create another page of this e-commerce website, which is the blog page, right? With that being said, let's dive right into. Oh yeah everyone, here we have the blog page for this responsible e-commerce website right here. As you can see, here we have social media links with having a nice fixed background image with a smooth scrolling effect. With that being said, now let's jump right into it. Oh yeah, inside the same folder right here, we are going to create blog.html document right here. Over here, what we are going to do is copy this or the file which is found inside index.html and come over here and paste right here. Now over here, what we are going to do is we are going to remove unnecessary sections right here. So remove this, it's not necessary, right? Again, remove this service section, it is not also necessary. Again, remove this product section right here and news arrival product section. Remove this comment again. So over here we have the link destination right here, and for about for blog with a hash blog. After that, when I save and refresh the web page, and when I click this blog navigation menu, it redirects you to the blog page of this e-commerce website right here. Now over here, copy this section right here and come over here and then paste right here. So here we have the contact section as well as the footer section, and also here we have the newsletter section, right? After that, when I save and refresh, here is it, right? Here we have the contact section as well as here we have the footer section, and here we have the newsletter section. Now over here, let me add a comment right here. Now we are going to create the hero or the header section of this responsible e-commerce website. So to create this, as always, we are going to create a section element having class name, let me say hero section. Inside this section element, we are going to nest a div element have a class name hero banner. Inside this again, we are going to nest another div element hero banner content. Inside this, we have a tree element as well as we have a paragraph element. After that, we are going to add social media links right here. So copy this and then come over here and paste right here. Here we have. So when I save and refresh the web page, here we have, right? Oh yeah. Now over here, let me copy this class name and change hero section into hero banner. Alright, now remove the div element have a class name hero banner from here. It is not necessary, right? So here we have. Oh yeah, now using this class name right here, hero banner, let me add some property value pair. First, as always, let me add a comment over here, blog page styling here. So using this class name right here, hero banner, we are going to add a background image right here. So background image, we have the link directory. The image is found inside image folder right here. So width for the image 100%, background position center, let me say center. So when I save and refresh the web page, here we have, right? We have, as you can see here, we have this image is repeated it one more times. So in order to avoid the repetition, we are going to use another property which is background repeat, no repeat, and then background size cover, minimum height 450 pixel. So when I save and refresh, here we have background image right here. So over here, now let me change this background position 0 and minus 100 pixel, so that here we have, right? Yeah, this is a nice background image. After that, now using this class selector hero banner underscore content, let me add some property value pair in order to align the text which is found inside this class, which is found inside the div element having this class name. So position for this absolute top 40% and left 10%. If the position for this child element absolute, then the position for the parent element should be relative. That's why here we have. Over here we are going to add font size 3.5 rem and color for this text right here we use main color. After that, when I save and refresh, here we have, but I remove this font size and refresh again. Here is it. So copy this and paste right here, and then now let me target the H3 and the paragraph element selector, right? So H3 for this font size 3.5 rem and copy again and paste right here. For paragraph, font size 1.2 rem. After that, over here color, let me say black. When I save and refresh, here we have. Now padding top, let me say 20 pixel. Oh yeah, here is it, right? So now as you can see here, the position of the social media links are not properly aligned, right? So to do this, to overcome this challenge, we use this social media class selector right here, and over here position for this absolute, then from the top 85% and from the left, let me say 50%. I remove it, and then when I save and refresh, here we have, right? So now we are going to make it at the center. So to do this, over here we are going to use transform translate in the x direction by minus 50%, right? Oh yeah. After that, when I save and refresh the web page, here we have. So as you can see here, the image is moving. So now we are going to make this image fixed, right? So to do this, over here we are going to use background attachment fixed. After that, when I save and refresh, here we have a nice page header having a fixed background image, right? So here we have, you see, a school. Now we are going to create another section, which is the main blog section, right? As always, let me add a comment right here. And now create a section element having class name, let me say blog section, and an ID value, let me say blog. So this ID value is the same as the ID value for the value for the each attribute right here. So blog href blog right here, and also we are going to create an h3 element having a reusable class name right here, which is section heading, our latest news. And then we are going to create a div element have a class name blog container. Inside this we are going to nest two div elements having class name blog image as well as blog content respectively right here. Inside this we are going to nest image right here on the left side and some content on the right side. H3 paragraph and call to action button, and then blog info. So over here we use a span element have a class name posted date as well as another span element have a class name, let me say posted by. I'm not going to waste your time. I have just added it offline, right? So here we have. Alright, here is it, right? So when I save and refresh the web page, here we have, right? Here is it, right? Now this is section heading. So now copy this and paste right here as much as you want, right? Copy and paste right here. Here we have for div element having the same class name blog container. So when I save and refresh the web page, here we have, right? Now what we are going to do is simply we are going to change the image as well as the text right here. So when I save and refresh the web page, here we have. Change this image right here. After that, save and refresh. Here is it, right? This is the HTML part. Now let me style this right here. So to do this, we use this class selector block container and display for this flex, align items, flex start, justify content. Also, it's better to say space between gap, let me say 2.5 rem, and then flex direct, flex wrap. After that, when I save and refresh, here we have nothing is changed. So over here we are going to target this block image class selector to style the image right here. For the image, we use this block image and add some property value pair. Width for the image, let me say 50%. After that, when I save again, after that, copy this and paste right here. And now we are going to target this img element right here. So img and with 100% object fit cover. And then height, let me say 450 pixel. Let me say 400 pixel. After that, when I save and refresh, nothing will change. Here we have, right? After that, now let me target this block content. So for this flex 125 rem. When I save and refresh the web page, here we have, right? Here is it. Yup, you heard. Now we are going to transfer the image in the block part. So as you can see here, we are going to transfer the second and the fourth block in different direction. So to do this, we have block content and we have a pseudo class selector and child. So now we are going to target the second and the fourth child from this block container. So for this flex direction row reverse. After that, when I save and refresh, here is it, right? It's cool. Let me change this flex direction instead of row reverse into column reverse. So when I refresh, here is it.